checking over his notes. Workplace Relations and Safety Minister Michael Woodhouse is one of those speaking at an event organised by insurance agents Gallagher Bassett. He's addressing around 50 delegates, representing tens of thousands of employees across Otago, to outline the recent changes to health and safety legislation.
I think the major changes that we've reflected what the modern workplace is. 25 years ago, organisations worked pretty much in a standalone capacity. Now in a shopping mall, a construction site, even a hospital, we could have dozens of different organisations working together. And what I want them to do is work together on the health and safety front as well.
He's pleased this event has been organised to bring key players together in one room. It's a way for him to clarify any misconceptions and hear firsthand about any perceived issues employers might have.
Well, firstly, I'm really encouraged that business leaders are coming along to have this conversation, because to me it says they're really tuned into this. But I also will be interested in hearing from them about what their early perceptions are and give them a sense of what the government's objectives are for this.
Woodhouse says these days health and safety isn't something that workplaces can afford to overlook. He says it's literally a matter of life and death, and he wants to eradicate the latter. He shares the sentiments of those workers who turned up to this year's Workers' Day memorial service that change is needed.
The fatality rate has already dropped by more than 25%, which is the target the government set for itself by 2020. The serious harm rate is also down by 6%. That's not as much as we'd like, but I think we're heading in the right direction.
Woodhouse says the most important thing he wants to see the new legislation address is workers' attitudes toward workplace health and safety. It's that change he hopes will lead to safer workplaces nationwide. Daryl Baser, 39 Dunedin News.